Hey guys, it's me Kate again. So this video will be my snowstorm book tag. Which I know that this video is coming about in May, but I want to do it now. Good morning. When you wake up, you see snow is falling outside. Name a book that you weren't quite sure how you felt about it. A lot of them. It looks so pretty when everything is white and sparkly. Show us your favorite winter color. None. There's nothing you like laying in some freshly fallen snow, so you call some of your friends to go sledding. Name one of your favorite friend groups. I really don't know. Probably the Golden Trio from Harry Potter series. You must have slept in a little because the past hills are already pretty busy and the snow is packed down firm, making hills extra fast. Name a book that was so fast-paced you couldn't stop reading. A lot of them. Mostly because I read a lot of fast-paced books, because if I read slow-paced books I easily get bored. So the roads are getting bad and the traffic is crawling. Name a book that took you forever to get to. Actually, any book that I read during February, because it was middle of my exam season, so I was studying, and it took me literally 20 days to read 200-page book. So sledding is fun but exhausting. Time to have a snack. Name a book with a foodie element. And bonus question: tell us your favorite wintertime snack or drink. So book with foodie element, I don't have any, and my favorite wintertime snack or drink is definitely hot chocolate. The snack was great, but you just can't quite share the chill. So you go sit by fireplace to shake the chill. So you go sit by the fireplace to get some heat. Name a hot new release that you loved or one you're excited about. Literally, I haven't read none new releases. Then we have the snow has been falling for hours and it's still coming down now there. Name an ongoing series you are loving. Like, I don't know, probably The Stormlight Archive by Ben Sanderson, in which are following the war between Alethi and the Parshendi. It started when Parshendi killed Alethi king, and now they're fighting for Shard Plates, and Shard Plates, which are these magical swords and shields which grant the rare powers. Then we have It's Evening Now, and there's so much snow, school has been cold, and activities have been cancelled. For tomorrow, giving you nothing to do but stay at home and read. Name a book you finished in a day. I don't know. It's time to go to bed and get warm and cozy. Name a book or genre that you read when you want some comfort. Fantasy. And that's it for this video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe. Down below you have my social media, my email and some other stuff, and I'll see you next one.